In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Motorola. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down to access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, click on Theme and scroll all the way down. Now you can click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. When you're ready, click on the best one for you. Tap on this switcher next to keyboards to switch them off or on, and save your theme by choosing Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go into exactly the same settings, swipe up and tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, pick one of those apps or select those three dots at those three lines at the top left corner over here next to Recent, and pick one of those sources, in my case Downloads. Finally, you can pinch your photo to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right on this slider. Click on Done. Manage keyboards and choose Apply. If you wish to delete one of your themes, you can do that by clicking on it, tapping on this bin icon next to keyboards, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to edit one of your custom ones, you need to click on the chosen one as well. But this time select this pen icon next to the bin one. Then make your changes, tap on Save, and hit Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!